Eyeball.
Hi, good morning. Morning.
Tama ba ito napuntahan namin?
Another truck coming. Pwede dyan. They're still awake at what is the time? 2 a.m. I think it's already 2 a.m. And sponsor is not here yet. It's not coming anymore.
Where's the lechon?
Where's the lechon? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, mountains.
Na naman, men.
Good morning, mountains.
Mountains.
Good morning.
Yun mag-asawa.
Sino ba ito?
Ayan lang.
Kumusta po yung
Ano daw, Father's Day.
Father's Day? Father's Day pala eh. Sa mga single pa kami. Single kami. Doon kami sa ano yan, single ano yan doon?
Single row.
May single doon na group eh.
Row.
Single 4x4. Feeling single. Ayan. Ito. Good morning po.
Chili.
Wow.
Good morning po, Mayor. Ayan. Are grilling some chicken. Alright, look at that. Yum. Chicken. Nice, good. Let's have a walk. Filipinas Independence Day. We are like more than 100. Whoop, who's this guy? Who's this guy? Pasyal tayo dito sa sponsor Lakay 4x4.
Ano oras pa tayo kain? Pwede mag-set up na dun. May alauna daw tayo.
Ano sabi ng conversation? Conservation.
Oh,
Behave.
no, they're just looking for wrecks.
So nakakuha kami ng libre na sticker. Libre din ang membership. May discount ba to? May... Tapos may ano pa oh. Ano to? Chili garlic. Wow. Ito yung in-order ko sa Pangasinan. Sa truck may discount? 50%?
$5 off.
$5 off. So may sponsor na naman kami, a small little drink from this guy. So everyone is drinking. So bottoms up yan ha, bottoms up yan. Everyone, bottoms up for this tiny shot. We have a supply here. Supply.
Courtesy of Jomar.
Jomar, everyone. Thank you very much. Alright. Cheers! Cheers!
Happy Father's Day! Family and the country. It's the family, that's why Father's Day.
God bless the Philippines! Right here. Right.
Am I right or am I right?
Always right! Always right.
Highest priority, family, di ba?
begin with this tiny burner that I purchased a few weeks ago. And this one, you can buy any adapter to operate. It's either with this tank or that kind of propane tank, this green here. Okay, so I choose this thing because if you are a backpacker, if you want small stuff to carry on, you can buy this thing with a smaller sizes for this burner. It has igniter and it has also flame control here. So this is tiny one, and it comes also with mini pots, right? So you can simply put the propane in this mini pot, and with the cover, you can just cover it, and then you can just detach this thing and put it there. And it has a small and then you can just simply put this inside this tiny container, this thing there, all together. And there's another mini stove. It's powered by this tank, a longer cylinder. These are also folded like this, like that, like that. This one you can just remove this by turning counterclockwise. It has also flame control and it's an igniter. And in the third one, this one is a little bit bigger. So we are going from smaller, bigger, biggest stove, and is operated by the regular propane, this green thing. So we cannot start our dinner because the sun is not giving up. So usually for us Filipino, what do you call this? Wine dine eater, we used to eat dark time, and it's just only 7 p.m. and we are confused, so we have to waste our time. That's why we put up a new small casino business right now here, for waiting for the sun to give up before we could eat. Then we can approximately and officially call it's dinner time, because it's dark time, dinner time. So these are casino number 1 contender, casino number 2 contender, and number 3 contender, and they have a mason in the middle. Is the mason sungit. Yeah. So while the mothers are busy with their gambling habits, they are forgetting their kids near the water with the high current, very stressful river across the campsite. Right there, right there. So everyone is very busy today, not only on this camp. So everyone is busy drinking as well. Everyone is drinking on that side. You can see. It's a little bit windy, and then it's dusty. It's very bad. Today is Saturday, dusty, very dusty. Saturday, dusty. We're sitting up fire here to grill something. So who is in the house? Mr. John. We are in his cuisine, right? He's covering his face. He doesn't want to know who is he. So not only a family man, but a chef, as you can see. So let's talk about his rig. What are the contents of your bed truck? What is that thing? What is that gray thing there?
Gas.
It's a gas. Okay. And this is a
Water.
cooler. Cooler, and this is a fridge. Okay, so you have you have something round cylinder here. What is this for?
Water.
Huh? That's a pressurized water. Okay, so cool. And you have also fire extinguishers. And can you tell me about that thing inside? That white panel there? What is that?
A microwave.
And you have a mini LPG broken tank, something like that. And okay. So before anything else, what you're cooking right now? Is this called
Lumpia.
lumpia? This is the lumpia. And you got tons of drinks here as well. Let's go around his truck. So I'm just curious, what kind of truck is this? So he got a nice awning right here, flying all over the place because it's very windy. So let's take a look what kind of truck. Oh, it's a TRD. This is a TRD off-road. Let's take a look at the front. Oh, I see. It's a Tundra. This is a Tundra with a limited edition. This is a Tundra. This is a Tundra. Okay. Stock. It's a stock Tundra. It's huge, but a short bed actually. Okay, that's a John setup. Okay. All right. Cool. So we are at the cuisine, right? So there are master chef here. This is called lechon, crispy lechon. And then we have a huge grill here. This is a crispy lechon, all the way from Vancouver. came early morning after 5 to 6 hours long drive. So we are reheating it again. This is a dinner for the whole group tonight. Dinner time, Saturday. Yeah. Dinner time, second time. Kids play. After dinner, we are having games.
Right, thank you. At this moment, we would like Washington, Mr. Who?
They're still eating.
Nagalag. Kala ko umalis na kayo.
Game time. Game time.
From Lagalag. Guys, thank you guys for making it possible this time. This is last from Manitoba. Representative from Manitoba.
Team BC.
British
They're all
Columbia.
drinking. So Robin Hood, number one Robin Hood, the EcoFlow, and the Jackery, they are stealing current from Blue Witty. So this guy is charging on the Blue Witty. Jackery is right there. So plus hitchhiker, hitchhiker. So guys, when you are out of charge, Mr. Blue Witty is there. Alright, there's no electricity. yung lakas to. Ayan na. Ayan na. Para makita ng ilaw. Jano, episode. Like and subscribe. Good morning, my friends. This is the third day of this event of the Philippine Independence Day, and the scene with a nice stunning Sunday, and it's Sunday, so the sun coming out now. Everybody's still sleeping. Some over there. Let's get to the washroom. We have lots of mess today. This Sunday morning, third day, and we are all still here. I'm just wondering if I am going to pee here. So we are going to make coffee. I think we're gonna fire this one out. To apply this drone, this little fire. We will send this out over there, and we will send this out over there. So let's see how this one goes. So we found this drone in that car in the passenger seat. It's a blessed Sunday. Ingat yung mga kaibigan natin. Videoin mo natin para sa susunod ulit. Ingat-ingat ka pare. Take care sa kayo ngayon. Sa Calgary. Oh, take care. Right, Calgary. Uwi na yung mga tropa natin. Uwi na kayo, sir? Standby.
Thank you sa inyo ah.
Oh, siyempre. Oh, din. Wala kayo, hindi makakumpleto ang group. Pag wala kayo, hindi kompleto ang grupo. Di ba? Yeah, it's cool, right? All the setups you can see now. Outfitters, outdoors. What a nice Sunday. Ayun na sila. Bye USA, bye Alberta. Bye Saskatchewan, bye Manitoba. See you again. See you again next year. I'll see you around here. British Columbia.
Thank you.
Everyone is leaving us. Everyone is leaving us. Everybody's leaving us now. Oh, I'm gonna sit here. Okay, see you again, my friends from other planet.
That's a big convoy.
Yeah, they are going back to Mars. to see Bruno Mars.
Why are you going that way?
Yeah?
Why are you going?
Alright. Yeah, there's so much of them, yeah. Big convoy. We are only like 4. Lakay Arnel! Lakay 4x4, the sponsor of these spacious, what do you call this thing? Like a football ground. It's nearby the lake. Another wig. And another wig. Alright. Steady ka lang doon. Yan. Kunin natin yung lakay.
Paalam.
Yeah. That's right. Alright.
I miss you.
I miss you too. O yun, team number 2. Alright. Paalam na, my friends. See you next time. Second group, long
From US.
convoy. Is this heading to United States or Alberta?
Lagalag from ano?
Washington.
Nakahabol na, basit. Nakakasaan niya. Ano to eh? Ano yung Janong? Butada na ito. Ayos na diba? Kapag na nag-picture niya eh.
Another wig.
Kasi ayak mag-picture. Sabay na mamat. Yan.
We have a Land Rover. Alright. Second group of the day.
Abang kayo mula pata?
They are smoking. So these are the first convoy right here on the right hand side. They just went out there taking photographs. Now I think they're all going all together. This is a large convoy. This is the first group. So the first one just went ahead. Ayun, request ni Car, i-videoin ko daw. Puno na yung ano ko. Baka mo na yung movie ko sa YouTube. Wala na. Pagdagdag na naman to. Isang oras na yung video ko. Ayun, ayun to. Lahat yan mga katikim. Pati si President lang ay 4x4. Ayun o, peace out. So lahat na, everyone is cooking. Shout out! Mr. OJ is here in the house. Third group. these are the BC group, the British Columbia group leaving, and we will be the next batch to leave the area. But we'll take a lunch first before. Wow! Ayan o, ayan o. Ito ba yung luto nyo? Ha? Ito po ba yung luto nyo? Ito po ba? Walang kinupusang beef yan ah. Ito, mangga. Mangga. Ituro mo kung gaano ano yan, pagputol. Mangga. Orange. Sa mga nagda-diet. Ayun talaga oh. Picnic talaga oh. Boneless! Cooking time. Breakfast before taking off. Sunog na naman ang aming beef. Kanina pa kami nagluluto ng beef. Oh, so surrender na yan. Another. Ayan oh. Ayan oh. Ikot niya tayo. Ayan o. Oh. Yeah.
Kain kami ng
Yan, tapos na yung picture niya. Babalik na yung mga danos. Dari, ito! Tapos na, dari siya. Go ahead. Yeah. You are making bonfire. Yeah. While we camp there, our bonfire is far. Look at that. Yeah. Woo. Yes. We are there near the lake. This is the safest one. Safest bonfire, right? So my friends, we are heading now to Vancouver. So see you next year for the 2026 Independence Day. So we are just cleaning our barbecue. What do you call this? Roast. How do you call this thing? Roasting barbecue. What for pigs? This thing. Lechon. Barbecuing big lechon. Muna ako dito. and we came from that hill going down. Oh my god, this is so fucking high. So when you're driving, it's scary, eh? You might fall from that. So we're here. Park there. Ano ba yung ininom niyo? Bakit may hangover po kayo? Alam ko na eh. I know it when it's tequila.